Hello and welcome to this quick tip where I'm going to show you how to record the output of MIDI effects to a new track without having to play it in live. Until the latest update, this wasn't possible in Logic, but with the new MIDI routing, we can do it really easily. To demonstrate this, I'm going to get a synth lead patch. Let's play in an overlapping note pattern. Now you can go into the MIDI and check that all the notes are quantized to the beats. Let's put an arpeggiator effect on and a note repeater. So now it sounds like this. If you wanted to capture all the notes being generated, you would have previously had to have set this to record MIDI to track here and then play it in live with no option to quantize the notes. But now, if I create a new track, set this option for internal MIDI in to the lead track, all I need to do is arm the track and press record. Now you have all the notes on a new MIDI track and can assign an instrument to play them. I hope you found that useful. As always, a like and a subscribe is appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.